In this video, we'll explore the process of compressing a PDF file to reduce its size without compromising its quality. Before we dive into the guide, I'd like to invite you to hit the like button if you're excited to learn about PDF compression, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Have you ever encountered a situation where you needed to send a large PDF file and it seemed to take forever to upload or share? PDF files can vary significantly in size, and in this video, I will show you how to make your PDF files smaller without losing quality. Open your web browser and visit the free website we'll be using for this purpose. To do this, type "I love PDF" in your search engine and hit enter. Make sure to go to ilovepdf.com. Once you're on the I Love PDF website, you'll find a variety of tools. Locate and click on Compress PDF. Select the Select PDF Files option. This will open your File Explorer. Find and choose the PDF file you want to compress, then click Open. The file will be uploaded to the website. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see different compression levels: Extreme, Recommended, and Less. We recommend starting with the recommended level. If you find that the compression is not sufficient, you can come back and use the Extreme level. After selecting your desired compression level, click on the Compress PDF button. The compression process will begin. The website will quickly compress the PDF file, and the reduced file size will be displayed. To download the compressed PDF, click on Download Compressed PDF. Depending on your web browser, the file may be downloaded differently, but you can always find your downloads in your File Explorer in the Downloads folder. You'll notice a significant reduction in file size without compromising the quality of the content. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce the size of your PDF files, making them easier to share and manage. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.